Nicole Kidman is coming under fire recently for accusations of Photoshop after her shoot that appeared in Vanity Fair's Hollywood issue. The Oscar nominee was featured in the publication among other greats like Idris Elba, Penelope Cruz, Kristen Stewart, Benedict Cumberbatch, Simu Liu, Andrew Garfield, and Michaela J. Rodriguez. The celebs were starring in this particular issue because they were being recognized for breaking boundaries in Hollywood. Despite just how many stars are featured in this issue, the only one people really seem to be up in arms about is Nicole Kidman's. People began to complain about everything, from the look and the outfit itself all the way to allegations of heavy photo altering and Photoshop. One fan wrote on Twitter, quote, "What is the meaning of this, Nicole Kidman? She is always stunning, but this looks trashy. I think she is elegant and tasteful, but these photos, she is not. She deserves better." Another posted, quote, "Nicole has a great body and that's not her body. Her shape is not like that at all. Why they have to Photoshop?" The photo in question shows Kidman wearing a Miu Miu cord two-piece with her torso bare and exposed. Some thought that the outfit itself was age inappropriate and infantilizing, asking, quote, "Why would they put an accomplished actor and strikingly beautiful 54-year-old woman in a midriff, a micro-mini, and schoolgirl outfit?" While some others are just wondering, quote, "What part of Nicole Kidman's already incredible body shall we over-Photoshop this year to convey our respect for her as an actress?" It's clear people are upset, and while some seem to be more focused on directing their anger at the actor herself, others are upset at Vanity Fair, the ones who styled and edited the photo. All of this controversy is coming at the same time that Nicole has been opening up about the toll that her role of Lucille in Being the Ricardos took on her. She explained that she actually fell ill after filming Wrapped because she was fooling her own immune system into channeling the actor's, quote, humanity. Basically, she was saying that while playing the role of this absolutely iconic person and comedic talent, she had to trick her own body into believing that the suffering she was portraying was real. She explained, quote, "Parts of the body don't know, a lot of the time, what the difference is between real life and the role." She experienced the same sort of thing while filming Big Little Lies, where she plays a survivor of abuse. At the time of filming this, it doesn't seem as though Nicole has responded to any of this controversy surrounding her, but we'll be sure to update you if she does. That's all the time I've got for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Olivia Kozlowski, and I'll see you next time. Bye!